In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add testimonials to Squarespace website. Testimonials build trust. By the end, you'll have a polished, on-brand section that spotlights real feedback right where visitors need to see it. First, open your Squarespace dashboard and click Website, then go to Pages. Choose the page where you want your testimonials to appear. This could be your homepage, a services page, or a dedicated About page. Think about where social proof will have the most impact, like just above a contact form or near a pricing section. In the page editor, move your cursor between existing sections until you see the Add Section button appear. Click it. This inserts a brand new section exactly where you want it, keeping your layout clean and consistent with the rest of your design. From the section Library, select Testimonials. You'll see a range of templates designed specifically for reviews. Pick the layout that fits your brand and content. A slider works well if you have multiple short quotes and limited space. A grid or stacked layout is great for longer stories or when you want multiple testimonials visible at once. Don't worry, you can swap templates later if you change your mind. Now edit it to make it yours. Replace the placeholder text with genuine customer feedback. Keep quotes concise and specific so they're easy to scan. Add attribution, like a first name, role, or company, so the praise feels authentic while protecting privacy as needed. If your template includes images or logos and you have permission to use them, upload clear, high-quality files. Otherwise, remove those elements for a clean, text-only look. Customize the style to match your site. Adjust fonts, colors, and spacing so the section blends seamlessly. If you chose a slider, set the number of testimonials shown, tweak the transition speed, and enable arrows or dots for navigation. Reorder items to lead with your strongest quote and hide any duplicates or outdated reviews. Before you move on, take a quick look at the mobile view. Make sure lines aren't too long, text is legible, and images don't crowd the screen. Squarespace auto-saves your changes, so when you're happy with the look, you're done. Revisit this section periodically to refresh quotes, so your testimonials stay current, relevant, and aligned with your offerings. That's all there is to it. You've added a convincing testimonial section to your Squarespace website that supports your message and nudges visitors to take the next step. Thanks for watching, and happy building!